Everybody knows Reddit, and it's a great source for DevOps and engineering, cloud-related stuff. If you don't know what Reddit is, this is the logo. Have you been sleeping under a rock? Today, I'm going to show you my personal 24 favorite subreddits on this site related to DevOps. So here's a table I'm going to fill in the 24. I just want to let you know I'm going to start with the subreddits where I have saved the most articles. So I think it's the most useful, the most interesting if you are in a cloud DevOps career. And by the way, for a subreddit, you may notice sometimes there's some uppercase characters. I just want to tell you the case doesn't matter. You can just type them all in lowercase when you're searching for them either on Google or even on the Reddit site itself to get to the subreddit and follow, subscribe, go back regularly, check out new articles. So let's start with the most obvious one, you might say, DevOps. Our DevOps, hey, I mean, enough said. It's a great place. It's the most targeted discussion section of the site related to what we do. I can't really say much more. It's super active and it's really, really useful. Another one is Kubernetes. So if you're doing cloud DevOps and part of that is Kubernetes or containers, this is actually a really, really good subreddit. It is very popular. There's a lot of discussion there, a lot of really interesting things people got to say. I've learned a great deal from this particular sub, and it's useful even if you're trying to get into Kubernetes and you don't have much experience. I also strongly recommend it. There is also our Docker, but Kubernetes is really way more useful. Then of course you got AWS, which is this is dedicated to that public cloud, AWS. Super interesting discussion group. This might surprise you, leadership. So I do have some interest in leadership. I'm not yet like a manager or anything like that, but this is great. I'm not a manager, but I'm just expressing a small interest. This is super interesting place to hang out and to read some discussions and to collect some tips. Even if you have no desire to be a leader, just understanding the way that leaders think and what they're trying to achieve, this is super useful in my opinion. But you can skip it if you've got no interest. Terraform, hey, the leading infrastructure as code tool. This is a great section for learning about Terraform and especially learning about real world use of Terraform and not just what you might learn on the Terraform Associate certification. So super cool, super interesting, very applied kind of discussion, as I say, real world discussion. Now there's so many Python subs, it's kind of ridiculous. It's difficult to know where to start sometimes or which ones to check out, but I can strongly recommend if you're just beginning with Python, Learn Python is really great. Super supportive community. I really enjoy hanging out there, and you can ask anything there and nobody will sort of snap at you. So Learn Python is a really super cool place to go. SRE, this is more newer. So a lot of people who wanted to talk more about site reliability engineering, SRE domain, didn't think that DevOps channel was the place to do it. They created this and started hanging out here, and it's a super cool place, SRE. A lot of people don't know about this subreddit. I do strongly recommend checking it out. Even if you're not an SRE, it is great to learn about SRE. Python, remember I mentioned that as well as Learn Python, there's lots of other ones. So Python is kind of like the default place to go, and yeah, I've saved a lot of articles from here. It's a really cool place, really a lot of great discussions there. So I would go to Learn Python and Python. There are other ones, but for me, these two are the main ones. Useful for me anyway. Experienced Devs is a great place to go. So there is a number of devs who like to talk about what developers do, what software engineers do, but they found a lot of other subreddits were kind of a little bit maybe juvenile for them or too junior. I think there's a rule that says you're supposed to have 1.5 years experience before you can post in here. I mean, you know, who's checking, right? But what they've done there is they've set a certain bar to say, look, we expect a certain maturity of conversation, and it's also very applied, real world conversation, not too theoretical. So this is a great place to go. And again, this is a place a lot of people don't know about, but it's super cool subreddit, Experienced Devs. Now SaaS is a little bit more for people who are trying to make their own applications. They're trying to do their own thing, maybe their own side projects that they hope will go full time. They're a little bit more entrepreneurial, but I still think it's a great place to go. Very interesting perspectives here that you may not get on DevOps, and you'll find out a lot of like kind of highly managed application stacks. So I actually find this to be super useful. Linux questions. Now, like with Python, there's a lot of Linux subs, but I find Linux questions to be pretty cool. Again, it's a more noob orientated, although I think there is actually a Linux noobs or Linux newbies, but this is a cool place to go, and it's a cool place to find answers to your questions. I really like it. Self-hosted. Now, this is for people who like to kind of have all their own services running at home and running on bare metal, maybe on Raspberry Pis, or some of these people are actually have a rack in their house and they want to install Dell or HP servers, RAID arrays, redundancy, install their own switches, even their own SANs in some cases, definitely NAS. Look, I'm not into that. I don't have anything like that at home. However, the kind of application layers that they're talking about are super interesting. I do strongly recommend that you check this place out, even if, like me, you never intend to have any hardware running in your house. It's nevertheless super interesting. And people also do sort of VPS, cloud-based hosting as well. So it's not all bare metal discussion. So it's really cool. So these 12 out of the 24, the main ones that I hang out at. There's also the next 24, not so much. I'm going to cover those all in one super fast coverage. But these 12 here are the main places, and this is just what I check out. But I thought you'd want to know, and if you can take away at least one or two of those, then I think you'll be all the better for it. So before I cover the next 12, the last 12 of the 24, I just want to say, look, we're still growing. We're almost at 100 subs, not quite. Please give this video a like and help us get there. Please subscribe to the channel if you like this very unorthodox way of what I'm describing to you, just my own personal things that I learn and stuff, and just want to share with you. So these are the last 12. So very quickly, ChatGPT and ChatGPT coding. I mean, this is pretty obvious, right? This is like LLMs discussion, and particularly the first one is more about coding scripts and maybe prompts that people are using. Got Google Cloud, obviously, that's another public cloud, pretty obvious. Linux, this is the most generic of all the Linux-based subreddits, but nevertheless very useful. Side project is a little bit like SAS, it's a little bit more entrepreneurial. Have a look. Command line is focused purely on the command line, and I think it's only Linux. I don't think there's any PowerShell there. This is like for people who like to do one-liners and like to manipulate stuff on the command line. If you're new to command line, I recommend you check this out. Docker, not as good as Kubernetes, but nevertheless still a decent place when it comes to kind of container-focused discussions. GitHub, you know, most people know Git basics. And this is specifically orientated towards GitHub. There is also r/git if you want that. Let's face it, GitHub is the most common place to store your source code, so super interesting. Golang, if I get more into this, I'll probably come here more, but this is the place to talk about Go/Golang. Linux admin, again, I said there was many other Linux subs, and this is one of them. More focused on Linux sysadmin, I think. Azure, obviously, is another public cloud. And CS career questions, it's kind of like engineering related career questions, which I quite like, and I find it quite useful. So yeah, hope you found this video useful. Please check out those subreddits. Let me know in the comments below, are there any subreddits that you like that I didn't cover there? I really would like to know. So yeah, with that said, I hope you enjoyed this video. Take care. Bye bye.